So in thinking about the Language Achieve program, we want to think about what the goals are for the students. Why are we offering this program? Why are we offering a Spanish program in these schools? And we have three goals that we've agreed upon. The first one is that we just want to provide a fun Spanish experience to the children in a large group setting. Just like they're having, hopefully, a fun experience learning math and reading and science, we want to provide a fun experience for the children to learn and practice their Spanish. Low stress, easy vocabulary. We want to make it fun. One of the second goals of the program is just making it accessible. And this links back to the first goal of having it fun, but making it accessible to the children, making it easy to understand, making it so that they want to participate. We are strong believers in bilingualism. We believe that all children should have the opportunity to become bilingual. And by offering Language Achieve in the schools, by getting into the classrooms, we are giving the opportunity for the children to either start or continue on their path towards bilingualism. For children who have never been exposed to Spanish previously, this is the stepping stone for them. And we know that the early exposure makes a difference in the long term. For children who already have some Spanish, either from a Spanish preschool, a Spanish nanny, or being brought up in a Spanish-speaking household, it just continues their bilingualism it continues their trajectory towards bilingualism. So it's making it accessible and practicable to this wide range of language learners. The last goal is we want to create and maintain excitement for these children to be speaking Spanish. We want them to be happy to be speaking Spanish. We want them to want to speak Spanish. And again, that relates to the first goal of just making it fun, making it accessible in a low-stress environment so the children are excited to be speaking Spanish. So those are the goals, to have it fun, have it accessible, and to create and maintain that excitement all around this other language. So my name's Tammy. I'm with Language Achieve.